Sybiz Vision 19 brings some great new features for managing products and a revamped user experience. The product maintenance window has been reorganised for easier navigation and management of things like units of measure and product barcodes. It is now also possible to manage supply scenarios on a per product basis, say if I wanted to limit the use of a product only to jobs and service. I can also control the supply scenarios on a per location basis for each product. This area also allows for per location delivery lead times and a new option for multiple bins per location. I can still set up preferred suppliers, but new to Sybiz Vision 19 is also the option for replacement, alternate and associated products. That's a quick look at new features in the product maintenance screen for Sybiz Vision 19.